So I received this box in the mail today, September 9th, 2023. See, totally unopened. And I suspect I know what it is. So let's see if it is the new Elon Musk book by Walter Isaacson. Alrighty, which is not supposed to technically be open until Tuesday. Packaging. Oh, look, book page. You know, Books A Million say they send one out with every packaging, but this is the first time I've ever got one. Alright, more packaging stuff. Advertisements. Yes, I was right. The new Elon Musk book by Walter Isaacson. And today is Saturday, September 9th, yeah. And it doesn't come out till Tuesday the 12th. So, a couple days ahead of publication. Nice. Love it when bookstores make mistakes. All right, this is the reason why I think I got this book at this early. This is the mistake. I ordered a autographed copy. Walter autographed it, and so I think that's why there is, they sent them out a little bit early. Yep. All right, so let's see what we've got here. We've got Elon on the cover here, which is very typical of a Walter book. Let's see here. I mean, look at the Leonardo book. If you look at the Steve Jobs biography, also along with a couple of the other biographies by Walter, they all have the subject face looming large. Let's see. Nice cover, though. And we've got the spine, and then we've got the back. We've got a rocket ship. All right. And what else do we have here? So we've got what looks like probably SpaceX here. What's on the back? Looks like it's a Tesla. Yep, there's a Tesla on the bottom there. And we got Walter there. All right, let's see what else do we have here. Oops. All right, let's go down a little bit so you can see the words a little bit better. All right, so we've got also other books by Walter. If you get a chance, I would definitely recommend the Benjamin Franklin book. That is excellent. The best one of Walter's, I think, of his other ones. Alrighty, but we'll see how this one compares. So we've got a quote by Elon and a quote by Steve Jobs. Interesting start there. And we've got the table of contents. Alright, so we've got South Africa, Canada. We've got Zip 2, X, yep, see, using the X for years and years previous. We got SpaceX, and we've got ex-spouse in there. What do we got on the next page? We've got SpaceX, we've got Tesla, we've got another marriage, another divorce, more SpaceX stuff, SpaceX, Tesla, another relationship, more Tesla stuff, couple. Let's see, what else we got here? SpaceX, Tesla, Ukraine, so it's probably some Twitter stuff or the satellite stuff. Bill Gates, interesting. And we've got Twitter. And more Twitter chapters. Interesting how they say Twitter and not X. So, we got maybe some AI. Alrighty. And we have 95 chapters. 95 chapters, Walter. Oh my gosh. 95 chapters. Granted, 667 plus pages. Okay, so it's a big chunky book. But 95 chapters. All right. We will see how the chapters are. Maybe they're laid out in a specific way, and that's why it was easier just to do various chapters. Apparently, Walter interviewed over 200 people for this, so... All right, what else? Over 200 people for this book, so we've got a lot of pictures. But it looks like a lot of the pictures that we've seen in other publications and other biographies, and also in May Musk's awesome autobiography. Let's see. What else do we have here? All right, we've got acknowledgement page, sources. Ooh, notes. Now, all the good gossip and what the book is about is usually in the intro and in the conclusion. but the good gossip is usually in the notes, footnotes, or endnotes. We've got just regular notes here. But those, make sure you read them, because that's usually where the good stuff is. All right. Oh, we've got an index. Nice. Indexes, by the way, are really hard to create. I've created a couple of my own for my own books. So appreciate the loveliness of the index. All right. And what else we have? Photo credits about the author. All right. Nice job, Walter. A very thorough book. The librarians will be pleased. Alrighty, so there we go. The new Elon Musk book, a couple days early. Nice. It's always lovely when bookstores screw up. Alrighty, so this is going to be one of the big books of 2023. Big, heavy-wise, but also I'm sure it's a bestseller already, but look for it to appear all over the internet and places. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna get busy reading because 4 days early. Nice. Thanks for watching. Happy reading.